Welcome uli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng peanut butter chicken grill. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, gagawin natin yung marinade. Dito sa ating bowl, lagay natin yung 1/3 cup na smooth peanut butter, yung 1/4 cup ng vinegar, 1/4 cup ng calamansi or lemon juice, 1/4 cup ng soy sauce, 1 tablespoon ng sugar, 1 teaspoon ng onion powder, 1 teaspoon ng garlic powder, 2 teaspoon ng ginger grated, and hahaluin natin to hanggang sa maging smooth. Kung halimbawa yung peanut butter nyo ay matigas or firm siya, pwede nyong i-microwave for about 30 seconds to 1 minute para lang lumambot. Ayan, smooth na yung ating peanut butter, pwede na ito. Itong ating boneless thigh, ginatlaan ko lang ng dalawa para lang mag-penetrate yung ating marinade. And isama na natin yung prepare nating peanut butter marinade. And i-mix lang natin to. Make sure na well-coated ang ating chicken. I know, hindi magandang tingnan yung kulay but masarap ito. Ngayon na mix na natin, we will leave this for a minimum of 2 hours. Mas maganda kung overnight to marinate. After nating ma-marinate yung chicken, dito sa ating pan grill, nag-brush lang ako ng oil. Then ilalagay na natin yung na-marinate na chicken, yung skin facing down. Make sure na yung apoy nyo ay nasa medium lang. Lulutuin natin to for 5 to 8 minutes on each side. After 8 minutes, baliktarin naman natin. Depende sa laki at kapal ng inyong chicken ang inyong cooking time. Again, we will cook this for 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, more or less 15 minutes ko rin naluto ito. I-transfer na natin sa plate. At continue lang natin ang pagluto ng ating remaining chicken. And there you have it, our peanut butter chicken grill. Best served with rice and atsara. Sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.